Okay, update. Yes, me and Anthony are real geniuses. What we didn't do, we're taking the transmission out, transfer case over here. What we didn't do, like idiots, is take the fluid out. So when we pop the transfer case out, you got a dead body underneath there. All that fluid. Yeah, buddy. Yes, we're brilliant. We're geniuses. Looks like we killed somebody. Here's the fluid popping out. Yeah, look at that. The blood. Killed somebody. Look at the body. No. No. Yeah, shut up. Shoot him in the head again. But this is our ordeal here.
Okay, you were fine.